Hello beautiful peeps of YouTube and welcome back to the channel. My name is Kat and you're watching Planning Calm, and here in this channel I love to share with you all the many ways I can help you plan your way to calm and plan a calmer life. I just want to give you folks who are watching, if you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I just want to thank you so much folks for your love on my last video. I'll throw up in the card there for you. But I just want to thank you so much for all your love and support that you show me here in this community and on this channel. To be honest, in full transparency, as I always say, I have just been burnt out and low-key not doing and not at my best. And I've been leaning into prayer and planning really heavily during the month of June just to get me through, because your girl, she be struggling and snapping. But the fact that you allow me to be me and to share honestly and authentically, and that you can relate and that you share and that you encourage and motivate means so much. And so I want to thank you for filling my cup. Now, in this video today, this is a requested video, and I wanted to give you an update in my 50-cent notebook planner on how things have shifted for me in regards to my planning. I've actually, just because of everything going on this month, it's an extremely busy month, like I said, and so I have been using this as my all-encompassing planner. To be honest, I haven't been able to touch any other planners right now. I'm just focusing on this bad boy, and it's working for me. 50 cents well spent, let me tell you. I'm gonna open up my notebook and show you. So if you're new here, I purchased this planner. Sorry, I'm kind of in the process of getting a cold. Mr. Calm has been sick, and I think I'm finally coming down, not to mention the exam period, marking period, report card period is getting the best of me, and I think I'm starting to come down with something, but powering through. So if I sound nasally or stuffy, I apologize. But without further babbling, I'm just going to flip through to June and show you how I've set this planner up, this notebook up, for kind of getting my life together. I actually got a slushy drink. Ooh, little ring there. It's helped my throat so much. I don't like to drink sweet things, but that is hitting it. Alrighty, so this is how I'm working it for the month of June in my 50-cent notebook planner. And this planner this notebook rather, you can get at Walmart, but I just got it at a thrift store. And what I did this month here, because I didn't want to have to think about a lot of things, I just want to jot it down and go. And so I made like a little legend to kind of help me keep track of things. And so my legend contains a $sign for bill payment, $sign check for payday, and so on. Just little things like that make me smile, helps me remember things. I'm a visual person, and pictures help. I added this quote here. This is low-key cheesy, but there's a movie that I absolutely love, and if you haven't seen it, I highly recommend it. It's Ever After, starring Drew Barrymore. Drew Barrymore is one of my favorite actresses. Comment down below if you're a Drew Barrymore fan. Love her. But there's a line in the movie where she says, breathe, just breathe. And just the way she says it, oh my gosh, makes me want to go out and watch it right now. Don't got time because I got things to do. But this is going to be one of the first things I watch when I'm on my summer break. I absolutely love that movie. But turning the page here, I have my June calendar. Now, I write things out in pencil, and sometimes the pencil can leave a little like imprint or impression, or rather. So I just take an eraser. Man, why do I film after work? I don't know. I'm so tired. Anyway, it's happening. Thanks for being with me here, folks. If you like the banter and the cray, please give this video a thumbs up. Yay. Anywho, so what I've done this time around is I have made it so that it's just a little bit easier for me to see what's going on. In times when it's really busy, I don't really want to fuss and try to figure out things and try to be cute with anything. I want the down and dirty. So what I did was I put June calendar here. I numbered the days, like the date, and then the days of the week to correspond. And I just jotted down everything that was due that day. I just boom, 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 put it down there. I'm guessing I'm kind of borrowing / stealing from bullet journaling. I'm flirting with the idea. It overwhelms me, so I just kind of shut it down. But I like the idea of having and being able to see, all the things that I need in order to get her done. So now on this side, this is my day-to-day calendar. So here I have the 1st of June, which is a Saturday, and I have all my to-dos because according to my legend here, I just have my to-dos here. And this has just been working for me. I've only started this June, and I find that I can plan effectively and efficiently with this method. It's just like boom, boom, boom. Okay, so to do, dot, bam, and it helps. Marking that I have to do is there, and so on and so forth. Sunday, one of my lovely subscribers are like, wait a minute, you have 2 S's there. And I'm like, oh yeah, I just never really thought of it. I always think, oh, the second S has to be a Sunday. But I actually put a little dot beside Sunday to represent the sun. So yeah, that's Sunday. And it's just been great putting the date and the days and what I have to do. Essentially, this is just a very, another way of making a to-do list for some people. That's okay. Again, the thing with planning is you gotta plan the way you want. Plan the way you want, plan the way that works for you. That's my motto. And when you do, that's when you inevitably plan your way to calm. So this is the first page. Moving on to the second page here. This is where I start to add in some elements of journaling because I was just getting really stressed this week and I needed something to remind me to breathe, just breathe, and to calm down. And so I added in my Bible quotes. I have a heart with my chapter verses that I'm reading. Anything YouTube related, I put here. Any activities, to-dos, like I said, gets the dot. And I'm also using happy faces just for tracking moods. I want to see how I can get myself out of a stressful situation or feeling stressed. I mentioned this on this channel before, but I struggle with polycystic ovarian disease, and part of the illness is increased cortisol and struggling with stress hormones, things like that. And so you're constantly in a state of stress, just how your body works when you have PCOS. And so I'm really trying to see how, when I recognize my stress, how do I get myself out of that stressful point? And so it's been really working well and help me to identify those times where I'm feeling stressed. And so I've been putting in some, just journaling, like words, things that come to my heart or some things that are laid on my heart. And I just write it in there and it's good to go. I don't care about where it is and what it looks like or anything like that. If you notice, this is bottom basement planning here. I have a notebook. I have a pencil that is an Amazon basic pencil that I got from school, that I borrowed from school. And this is what I do. And every day I just kind of zoot, done. And this is what I wanted to share with you, that, when times get really stressful, when you get really, really busy, you can still plan your way to calm by making a system that is simple, easy to use, and effective. If you haven't tried notebook planning, I highly recommend that you give it a try. It's so easy to use, so accessible, and you know what? So fun because you're not worrying and stressing over anything. For me, what I am looking forward to when I'm on my summer break is being able to relax, play in some stickers, and just be. But until that time comes, notebook planning is my life and what works for me right now. So thank you so much for watching, my friends. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Planning Calm content. And until the next video, my beautiful friends, take care, be well, be blessed, and I'll see you all in the next planner video. Bye-bye, planner peeps.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of bird.